Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your contracts with DocuSign step by step clearly. Start by visiting the DocuSign website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log in to your DocuSign account. Click on New to start a new envelope. Select Send an envelope from the drop-down menu. Upload the contract you wish to protect. Choose the recipients by entering their email addresses. Set the signing order if necessary. Click on Add Recipients to confirm their details. Now, add fields to your contract for signatures. Drag and drop the signature fields where needed. Customize each field according to the recipient's needs. Once you've added all necessary fields, click on Next. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Then, click on Send to deliver the contract. Each recipient will receive an email notification. They can then review and sign the document securely. After all parties have signed, you'll receive a final copy. Store the completed contract in a safe location. Consider setting up reminders for contract renewals or follow-ups. Utilize the reporting features to track the status of your agreements. With these steps, you can effectively protect your contracts using DocuSign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.